Hi, I'm Milt of MF Metalarts, and welcome to yet another video on basic filigree techniques. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating tube setting with applications to filigree. Tools that we'll be using during this video include ball burr, setting burr, a tube setting punch set, tube cutting jig, a chasing hammer, some nanotape, a flat, fine hand file, toothbrush, some toothpicks, 3-in-1 oil in a jar, stone setting tools, and finally a jeweler's saw with your choice of hand blades, some cubic zirconia, and heavy walled sterling or fine silver tubing suitable for setting stones. All right. So here we are. I've got everything set up nicely. And now I am going to drill the ball burr about halfway in. Then I get a toothbrush, clean out any stuff that might have accumulated in there, and then come back with my nanotape holding the stone and drop the stone in. That's looking really, really nice to me. Okay, the stone's in there nicely. It's just down a little bit. The girdle is just a little bit below the top of the tube, and the table is pretty flat with the top of the tube. So there you have it. Apart from a little bit more cleanup and a bit of polishing with some green rouge, to me, this little butterfly is done. I'm very pleased with the result, and I'm very pleased with how much different just tube setting a few stones can make to the look of a filigree piece.